student out of slumber and move him to live up to the ideals of great men.
We're born with, or is it something that develops in us as we grow?
Nature or nurture is adversity an essential part for developing our character, or we develop character without adversity too?
Character. 9 simple letters describe the word we use daily.
But what is character?
How is it formed?
How is it molded, developed, shaped, taken forward?
Today, we bring you sequences from the life of the founder of our school, Vidya Sagar ji.
A person of character who, though born into poverty, educated himself and changed with the times.
Of him we can say, here is a person of character.
Here is a person whose words mean something, who will not change with the time,
Who will stick it out through thick and thin.
who will make a difference to those around him, will quietly lead and gently inspire.
Shri Vidya Sagar ji belongs to that group of people in the world that wanted change.
They don't just occasionally just think outside the box. They actually prefer to live outside the box.
This is a group who thrives on adventure and newness.
They love innovative new ideas. They like to explore new things and push the envelope beyond its capabilities.
They are the visionaries who perceive something beyond where we stand today.
So come with us to turn back the pages of history.
To learn something of the story of Vidya Sagar and where his life began.
For this was in Lalpur, which was then a part of undivided India.
कतरा मिला समंदर से समंदर बन गया कतरा मिला समंदर से समंदर बन गया आशिक मिला जो मौत से कलंदर बन गया कतरा मिला समंदर से That day, then the rolling flat plains of northeast Punjab.
Lionpur was originally a semi-desert area with roaming gypsy tribes.
But with the coming of the British, a network of canals were built that crisscrossed the area and irrigated the soil.
Raja Aurangzeb Khan, who made the land settlement here, did it in an unusual way.
He checked the hands of each and every man who applied for the ownership of land to see that he actually worked.
And gave away no more than 2.5 square kilometers of land to any one landholder.
It was here in 1880 that a British official, Sir James Lyon, created a new city.
Lionpur, on one of the newly established canals of the Punjab.
The town grew rapidly as the British offered free land, attracting settlers from Louisiana, Tulwinter and Ambala.
The center of the town was to be the Gandaghar, the clock tower from which 8 roads would radiate outwards.
Like the stripes on the Union Jack, the British flag.
Along each one of these roads he marked a distinctive bazaar. At the Anarkali Bazaar, one could get the best churis and parantha. At Katra Neel, you could get the buttons.
At Chappan Dukan, people frequented the ever popular jalebis and other sweets. In 1895, the railways arrived, carrying silk culture produced from Lionpur to the coast, and from there to the European markets.
Agriculture was on the upsurge.
Maize, rice, sugarcane were the kharif crops.
Wheat, barley, gram were the rabi crops.
And around the year, the fruits were apples, mangoes, oranges, sugarcanes, tangerines, guava, and falsa.
And in Lionpur, there were already angry rumblings against the colonial British rule.
The partition of Bengal in 1905 brought the country together as one.
In Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra, young people took to the streets to toast ousting the British.
And the whole of India went into ferment
with the events of the Jallianwala Bagh in 1990.
And in Lalpur, a very young Sardar boy went missing the very next day. His name is Bhagat Singh.
मेरा भाग्यवान ला दो मुझे।
सबर कर जयकौर, भगत सिंह ਨੂੰ ਨਿਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ 12 ਵਜੇ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਵੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਗੜਬੜ ਵੇ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕਰ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ।
जाओ अभी ढूंढ कर लिया कहीं से।
भली मानस हौसला रख, पूरा परिवार बहुत लपड़ गया वे, आना ही होना।
भाई गुरु ने मेरे कैसे लेख लिखे, दाता मेरे परिवार को टुकड़े टुकड़े करने की कसम खा ली है। स्वर्ण सिंह को अंग्रेजों के चेलों ने खा लिया। मेरा बेटा अजीत सिंह देशों परदेशों में धक्के खा रहा है।
भगवान ने दुख तकलीफा गले सड़े बल्ले नहीं पिया, आपका शुक्र करा।
मिला नहीं कहीं पर?
नहीं, 3-4 लड़कों से पूछा, तीनों कहते हैं आज हम लोग स्कूल में भी नहीं गए। राती में तो लग गया, अमृतसर की खबर सुन के रो रहा थी।
जलियांवाला बाग ਵਿੱਚ ਕਤਲ ਦੀ ਖਬਰ।
हाँ बाबूजी।
अच्छा, जब वकील आपको बता रहा था कि 2000 बंदे गोरों ने गोलियों से भून दिए, तब चुपचाप भगत सिंह दीवार से टेक लगाया सुनता रहा।
आहो बैठा तो सी, पर मैं ख्याल नहीं दिखता।
मैंने कहा रोटी खा ले, बोला नहीं खाऊंगा, वो तो ये खाट को चला। पता नहीं होते से की सी, सवेरे मेरे कोल आया, अथरुणा अखा मिलिया, उसदा वे चाची जदों मैं 2 साल दा सी, चाचा अजीत मैनू बहुत प्यार करते थी। मेरा भी रोना निकल गया। मैं आख्या हाँ पुत्र, तू ते तेरा चाचा लुका छुपी खेलते। फिर बाबूजी भगत ने अपने पगड़ी के पल्लू नाल मेरे अथरू कुंजे ते क्या चाची तू फिक्र ना कर, मैं चाचा स्वर्ण सिंह की मौत का बदला अमृतों से जरूर लाऊंगा।
देखो दूध के दांत है भी, आज से बाबा दादी रीस करने लगा। चाचाओं की भांति देश निकालने की सोचे।
मेरे बच्चे की सोच बहुत ऊंची है।
अभी बनने की तरह पेट में तो चाप भी तोड़ने की स्कीम सिद्ध कराया है। देख लो मोहम्मद के घर में नहीं मिले सादा भगत, उनके तो गया ही नहीं।
मोहम्मद कौन?
मिरासियों का लड़का।
सबके बारे में बोले मेरे दोस्त है, जिनके साथ दिखता है जिंदगी भर की गांठें बांध लेता है। क्या हिंदू, क्या मुसलमान, क्या चूड़ा, क्या चमार, दर्जी हो या नाई, सब बोले भगत सिंह के मित्र हैं।
पर उन्होंने मिरासी नाल की कम?
मैनू कहता सी चाची मैं मिरासियों नाल मिलकर भेष बदल कर मुसलमानी पाना पाऊंगा ते देश तो बाहर निकल जाऊंगा। फिर देखी फिरंगिया दी अखा विच मिस करके उन्ना बापू बहरूपिया पाना सिखाऊंगा मोहम्मद के घर वाले।
सत श्री अकाल जयकौर।
सत श्री अकाल है तेरी पुण्य बापू
की गल है अर्जुन सिंह, अभी चुपचाप बैठे हवे। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੇ ਨਾ ਰਾਤੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁਆ, ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲਾ ਬਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ।
पता वे
ਹੈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਿਆ? ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਖਬਰ ਦਬਾਈ ਰੱਖੀ, ਅਖਬਾਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਕਲਣੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਤੀ।
जिवे तू मेरे तो ससुसी करता है, साढ़े बथेरे बंदे ने खबर
वीर आ गया, वीर आ गया।
बेटा कहाँ था इतनी देर? किस के गिरे भगत पुत्र?
जान निकाली तूने हमारी।
की गल है पुत्र, रोना क्यों?
स्कूल से नहीं पहुंचा।
हमने सारा गांव छान मारा।
बता तो जाता अगर कहीं जाना ही था।
इधर भगत सिंह 10 कितने सी?
ये क्या है?
जलियांवाला बाग से उठाई मैंने सारी धरती लथपथ है शहीदों के लहू से।
अमृतसर गया था।
हौसला तो देखो इसका। एवं तो पूरी रात खामोश। 2000 बंदे मरे होंगे। लोग लाशा उठा कर ले जा रहे थे। तिरंगियों ने ढिंडोरा पीटा, पहचान कर अपना मुद्दा ले जाओ, कोई जुलूस नहीं निकालना, ये जाकर फूक दो। और पूरे सैकड़ों लाशें पड़ी हुई थी, ढेरों के ढेर।
वक्त दी सरकार जिनको मजबूरी करना आसान नहीं, ते अंग्रेज जिंदा दी सरहद सूरज डूबता ही नहीं।
यह चलते रहे थोड़े दिन है बाबा, शहीदों का खून कभी बेकार नहीं जाता। एक की जगह हजार देशभक्त जन्मेंगे। जालिम कितनी देर तक टिक सकते हैं?
शुक्र है जो सही सलामत घर लौट आया।
बेटा ऐसे बताए बगैर कहीं मत जाए।
अभी कोई उम्र है तेरी ऐसे कामों में पड़ने की? 12 बरस का हो गया है, ब्याह करो। लखा दी सलाह जयकौर, वो मैनू सगाई वास्ते पीछे पेला। बड़ा अच्छा घर है अर्जुन सिंह, दहेज नाल तेरे कोठे पर जावांगे। मैं अजी गल करदा, क्यों जयकौर? और क्या नन्ना मुन्ना होगा जैसे सारा दिन घर के बाहर तो नहीं रहेगा।
वाह बाबा जी, खरी स्कीमें कर रहे हो। मुल्क को अंग्रेजों की पीढ़ियों ने कैद कर रखा है। मुझे आप घर के अंदर कबीर जारी की पीढ़ियों ने कैद करना चाहते हो।
पुत्र असि तेनू लंबी उम्र ते सुखी जिंदगी की नसीहत दे रहे। असि नहीं चाहते कि तू जेला में चढ़े या सूली चढ़े। आज भी वक्त है, समझ जा।
शेरों को नदी बनाना आसान नहीं।
चल मेरे नाल चिड़ियाघर ते वेग पिंजरे विच कैद छे। अंग्रेजा वर्गा शिकारी नहीं जमया जग विच हुण तक।
भगत सिंह संधू सही के साथ टकरा हुआ तेरा रास्ता।
तौबा मेरे सतगुरु, मैनू माफी बरखो। ऐना अहंकार बख्श दो बाजा वाले। इस नास्तिक नू बचाओ सिख धर्म नू।
धर्म? कौन सा धर्म? सिर्फ एक ही धर्म है, हिंदुस्तान को आजाद कराना, गरीबों को धर्मों से छुड़ाना, और धर्म के बदले में हर दर्द का सूली चढ़ूंगा। इन शहीदों के लहू तक अपना लहू मिलाऊंगा। Bhagat Singh served as an inspiration for many who followed him on India's long path to freedom.
For not only was he a die-hard patriot, willing to sacrifice his whole life for the country,
But he was also a man of determination, steadfast and goal-directed.
As passionate about the eradication of untouchability.
As he was about the inspiration he got from literature. Ideas that fired and enthused him.
Ideals that he debated, discussed.
ideals that challenged his own belief and prejudices.
And made him into a better person.
For a leader has to be a person of character, knowing the difference between a right and a wrong, and having the guts to do the right thing.
Did the story of Bhagat Singh inspire Vidyasagar ji? We will never know. But we know for sure that just a few miles away from the village to which Bhagat Singh belonged, in 1925, a young boy was born to poor parents.
मेरा बेटा, मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा. I will help you to become a big strong man like your father was, because I know you have the abilities to do it beyond your wildest dreams. I can see it in your eyes. I want you to always do the things you are afraid to do. I shall name you Vidya, Vidyasagar.
As Vidya grew, he saw the various social injustices in his village.
I am very worried with the Mahatma coming to the Punjab today. I hope there won't be any trouble. The jails are already full. There is no room to make any more arrests.
That old Buddha creates troubles wherever he goes. He suddenly ruined me. I'm up to my ears in foreign cloth. I can't get rid of it.
The Sahibs won't quit India and he's passing for the untouchables.
You don't understand what he's trying to do. They were born to serve us. And now Gandhi is setting the law of karma.
If you people could, you'd get someone else to wash hair for you, clean your teeth for you. Nowhere in my religion does it say that someone is going to serve me. If our great prophet, peace be upon him, were here, he wouldn't allow you to behave like this.
What would you do? Who cleans your bakare? Do you want to clean the latrines yourself?
Ha ha ha.
I am a Tanga wala, it's not my job. Tawba, tawba.
Our Mahatma is a good man. Well, the good man has ruined me. What do you say to that? Profit, profit, profit.
Is that all you think of?
Well, it's all right for you, isn't it? You who eat the salt of the Sahibs.
I do service. My forefathers did it. They have made India great.
It's sickening the way you run after whites. Wherever they go, Sahib, Sahib, Sahib.
Don't the Sahib sit on your tongue?
Anyone can sit on my Tanga.
As long as he pays you, I wouldn't accept a fight from the Sahibs.
Filthy people sitting in their own dirty water. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Pandit ji, may God bless you.
Please take pity, Pandit ji.
I was first. Shibret, but I've been waiting ages.
Me first.
Piche, piche, niche, get down. Do you think your father owns this well? Can't you fools shut up for a minute? Hey, son, you're Lakha's daughter. My, haven't you grown?
My, haven't you grown?
Come, I'll give you water.
But Pandit ji, I was first. That isn't fair.
Chup karo, rascal.
Not rascal, Vidya.
Screaming like monkeys. I look at you waiting with such patience. And the Gita it says, he who has patience finds peace, and he who finds peace will gain fruit. Someday, oh God, what will you people understand? You monkeys belong in the dirt. Come, girl, come.
But Pandit ji, I'm still lying.
Hey, come on.
Arey, ja, go and take your water, or none of us will get any.
If you want more, just say. You need some work? Acha, come to the temple. You can clean the courtyard. You'll be serving God.
Serving God.
You never know. He may just reserve a place for your next life. Anything God has to do? Who's going to see the temple? Your fathers? Toronto, Egypt, Rasta. Hey, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Polluting our water?
Get down, get out of you wet.
Salam, छोटे बापू, salam. Hello, everyone, new escort. Look at this. It's his sister's wedding. How are you, Birju? I'm going to school. Going to school? No, you must be a genius by now. Yes, I am. Wow, by wow. What are you learning at school? Everything. Everything? Is this your school book? Let's have a look. You are not allowed to touch my book. It's all right. I didn't see it. So, we are off to school. Which class are you in? Me, I'm in 5th grade. 5th grade? You must really know a lot. Could you teach me? I could, but you'll teach me then. You? Well, I could, but... Nahi, I will pay you. Nahi, it's not the money. I will give you 1 anna a day. Acha, theek hai. Chalo na bhaiya, will be forward. Arey, son, you can teach me as well. I will give you 1 paisa a day. Theek hai, let's go now. Acha, Vidya, see you later. You will be getting 2 weeks for your books. Don't even talk to us. I am going to read Baris Shah's Mizanja. Well, I am going to school next year, a boarding school, outside Lalpur town. They won't let you in. Schools are only for the Bapu's son. No, that's not true. My dad says that Mahatma is coming to open the school first, and I'm going to be on the council. This one's not too expensive, Vidya. Only 3 rupees a month. Yeah, crazy. But where will I earn 3 rupees? Empty pocket never held anyone back. But empty head and empty heart can do that. Come, let's go to Bazaar, Vidya.
Hare Ram, Hare Kutte, are you blind? Couldn't you see me standing here? Why did you call and announce your approach? You know you have touched me and defiled me, you cockeyed son of a bow-legged scorpion. Now I have to go and take a bath to purify myself. Now on such an auspicious day with the Mahatma coming to town. This was the duty I put on this morning. Where's the police in this bloody country? There's never a policeman around when you need one.
क्या हुआ पंडित जी?
This filth bumped right into me.
These swines are getting more and more of it. Our Mahatmas are good men. But what ideas is he putting into their heads?
One of his brothers who cleans the lavatory of my house announced that he wanted 2 rupees a month instead of 1 and his daily food.
I know. The dark age is coming. These sweepers will be ruling us if we are not careful. Maharaj, it was an accident. Let him go. Abhay, you did it on purpose.
Bastards and liar.
Who the hell does he think he is? Zalil?
Kamchur Kanika.
Why don't you give him one?
Don't touch him. The filth will spread.
You have got to take a bath anyway, but you should go on, hit him.
Now keep to the side of road, you locust vermin.
Or sir, next time make sure you shout out before you come.
Why did he do that? I didn't do it. But he still slapped me and ran off like a dog with his tail between his legs. Why can't I so humble? These people do not think they are humans. All Hindus behave like that. not the Muslims and the Sahibs. They've got humanity. They know how to treat us. They are educated, that's why. I do want to study. I still do. Then I could show my English. And that lady, one day early. Shit, if only I weakened it here and then. But why didn't you say something? To think that Pandit hit me in the sister for me. We all joined in. Since the river is flowing, let's all wash our hands. But why do we take it? Because we are sweepers. Well, I hate it. For them, I am sweeper. Untouchable. Stand Lord, untouchable. Baka, did you hear? Gandhi said we can change things. That is all talk. Political talk. I